Hi lads and lasses, hope you can hear us today. Obviously it's a bit overcast but back blown. So what I'm going to do is put it down to 3 setting. Yeah, collect the old grass, and then what I'll do is put it down to 1, or should I say the helper, put it down to 1 and see. I'll probably do normal speed and then I'll do time lapse and see you later. Okie dokie. Well, lads and lasses, that was one lawn out the back, mine, and 2 small lawns out the front. First one was a bit overgrown. The neighbour, she's got 3 little kids to fend with, so I've done it, no problem. Now with the helper, probably done it about 20 minutes, and 15 minutes for mine, even less. Yeah, and the only problem was actually the indicator that's supposed to be up in operation and goes down when you need to take the grass out. But that's only a minor problem, to be honest with you. Yeah, unfortunately I couldn't do it for my mobility, but just in case. But this is actually a game changer. As you can see, falls down. Oh my god. And the battery's on charge, and it only done 1 bar. So guys and lasses, I think the next time I'm going to try and get a leaf blower, because even though I can use a brush with 1 arm and take my time sweeping the walkways, that was a pain in the bum. So I'm thinking about the leaf blower and collect it in one place, pick it up in the bin, and jobs are good. So catch you all later. Take care.